So welcome again. Today in this session we will solve the exercise 2.1 of whole numbers. So let's change the color also. So let's choose some bright color. Let's take yellow. Okay. So whole number exercise 2.1. So question number 1 we will solve here. So question number 1 says write the next three natural numbers after 10,099. Okay, so for getting next natural number, any next number, we need to add 1 to the any number. Okay, so if we add 10,099 plus 1, then how much will it give? This will be this one. Okay, 11,000. So if we keep on adding 1, then the next natural numbers we will obtain. Okay, so what will be the next natural numbers? First one is this one, and next one will be we'll add one more, so 11,001, and for next number we'll have 11,002. So these are the next three natural numbers after 10,009. So you will write the answer like this. Okay, so now coming to question number 2, write the three whole numbers occurring just before. Okay, it is saying just before. Just before means you have to subtract 1 3 times. Then if you subtract 1, then you will get first number, then subtract 1 more, then you'll get next number, and so on. Okay, so you need to find just before. Okay, so just before this number, just before 10,001 will be 10,001 minus 1. So what will it be? It will be 10,000. Okay, so this is the next one, and we need to write three whole numbers. Okay, so we need to come one minus also. So first one will be 1, this one will write it 10,000, and now you need to subtract 1 from this. So what will get? 999, and one more minus, you will get next number 9998. So these are the whole numbers. Those are occurring before 10,001, immediately before. Okay, and these are the whole numbers also. Okay, fine. So this is the answer of the second question. Now we will come to question number 3, which is the smallest whole number. Okay, smallest whole number. We are talking of the whole number, not natural number. Natural number starts with 1, and whole number starts with what it is? This is 0. Okay, so what is the smallest whole number? It will be 0, because there is no whole number less than 0. So this is the smallest whole number. Okay, smallest whole number is 0. You need to write like this. Okay, you should write it. Okay, now coming further to question number 4, we have 8 questions in this exercise 2.1. There are sub parts also of the questions from 5 to 8. So we'll solve one by one anyway. So first of all, we'll solve now the question number 4. So what does question number 4 says? It says how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. Okay, so we need to find the whole numbers that comes between 32 and 53. Okay, so first of all we will write what are those numbers, then we will count it. Okay, so for finding the whole numbers between 32, we need to keep adding 1 to 32 till we reach to 53. Okay, so if we add 32, we will add 1 to the 32, it will be 33, then 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, then 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 40, 40, oh, just a minute, 45, 46, then 47, 48, 49, then 50, then 51, and then 52. Now we have to stop because after this it will come 53 will come. So these many numbers are there, whole numbers are there that come between 32 and 53. Now they are asking how many, okay, means it is asking for the count. So we'll count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so how many numbers? Total numbers that come between 32 and 53. You need to write like this. Okay, I am not writing because space is not there. Total number is equal to 20. Actually this is the long method to find these numbers. Otherwise what we need to do, we need to subtract 32 from 53 and add 1. Okay, from 53, no sorry, we need to subtract 53 to 32 and subtract 1. Okay, not add 1. So after subtracting, this will be 21, and then will minus 1, and it will give 20. Okay, this minus 1 we need to put just because we are subtracting from 53, as 53 is not included in this list. So we need to subtract one more from the result that we got from subtracting here. Okay, this is the shortest method. Anyway, you can at the beginning you should follow this method only, as you have sufficient time also. Anyway, so let's go to question number 5th. So what question number 5th is saying, write the successor of, successor means plus 1, predecessor means minus 1. So each one we have to write successor. Okay, so for a question, if we need to find the successor, we need to write 244407001 plus 1. Okay, so we'll find the successor. Okay, so 2440702. Okay, so this is the successor. Then we need to find the question number B, part B, 100 and 199. Okay, so we'll add 1. So how, what will this become? 100 and 200. Okay, so if we add 1 to this number, it will come like this. And what will be the C part? C part will be 10999 and 9. Okay, so how many 9s are there? 5 9s are there. If we add 1 to this, then what will it become? It will become, here it will be 1 and all rest will be 0. Okay, you can do it at yourself, but this is like this. Okay, so 5 zeros are there. If you add 1 to this, you will find this. And now D is 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 0 plus 1. Okay, if you add 1 here, it will be 0 will become 1 and the rest will be same. 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. Okay, this is the successor. So these are the successor of the numbers that are given. Okay, now we are going to question number 6, and in the question number 6 we need to find the predecessor. Predecessor means before, means we need to subtract 1 from these numbers. Okay, so predecessor, are as follows. Okay, so part A, 94 minus 1, this will be 93. So 93 is predecessor. Okay, similarly for part B, this is 10,000. So from 10,000, if you subtract 1, you will get 9,999. Okay, so this is the predecessor. Okay, now next number 208090. Okay, if you subtract 1 from 90, you will get 89. Okay, so instead of 90, you will write 89, then the answer will be your answers will be that. Okay, so this is a predecessor. And D part, 7654 and 321. If you subtract 1 from this one will become 0. So it will be 77654 Okay, so this is the answer for question number 6. Okay, so all part we have solved. Okay, now coming to question number 7. Let's see what is this question. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on left of the other number on the number line. Means it is asking that number which is on the left side. Okay, so which number is on the left side of the number line? The number that is lesser compared to other one will be on the left side. For example, if you see, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here any number that is lesser, that is on the left side. For example, 2 is lesser than 3 and it is on left side of 3. Okay, similarly 1 is lesser than 4, that's what it is on the left side of 4. Okay, I think you got my point. So any number that is lesser, that will be on the left side. So we need to put a appropriate sign also here. So means lesser number on the left side will be there. Okay, so this we need to write it. Okay, so I will start with question number A part, and let's start like this. So A part. So in these two numbers, which one is greater? 530 is greater. Okay, so 530 is greater than 503. It is very obvious. There is nothing to explain here which one is greater. So this number is greater than this. So which one will be on the left side? 503. Why? Because 503 is lesser. Okay, so 503 will be on what is left side, on the left of what? 530. Okay, we'll write like this. Now coming to part B, this is there, and here which one is greater? 370 is greater than 307. Okay, so 370 is greater than 307. Okay, so this we have written, and here 307 will be on left side of 370. Okay, this is the complete answer. And C part, what is C? You see here, this number is greater, than this. Okay, so we'll write like this: 98765 is greater than 56789. Okay, so what we'll write? 56789 will be on left side of 98765. Okay, so this is the complete answer. Similarly, you can write this one also. So which one is greater here? We need to find it. First of all, we need to count how many digits are there. So this has the 4 digits, and these are the 4 digits. Total 8 digits are there, and in this how many digits are there? 7 digits. So which one is more? This is greater number. Okay, so we need to write like this, like 1002301 is greater than 9830415. Okay, actually we don't have a space here to write, that's what we are writing like this. You need to write at a D point here and solve it accordingly. So I think you got the point, and you will be able to write the answer here. So now we are going to question number 8, and question number 8 is, which of the following statements are true and which one is false? Okay, so here we need to write the true false. Okay, so what is the first question? First question is 0 is the smallest natural number. So is it true or false? This is false. Okay, this is false. You need to write. Why? Because 0 is not a natural number, it is a whole number. Okay, because 0 is not a natural number. Okay, natural number. 0 is a not natural number, that's what it is false. Okay, then question number B, what is this? 400 is predecessor, okay, of 339. Okay, which one is predecessor? This is saying 400, but 400 is not predecessor of this. Predecessor of this is what? It is 398. Okay, 400 is successor of 399. Okay, so this question is also false. Okay, so what will write? Predecessor of 399 is 398. Okay, that is what it is false. Okay, here now C part is 0 is a smallest number. It is true. Okay, it is true because 0 is same thing you can write. 0 is the 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay, now coming to part D. So what is part D? 600 is successor of 599. Okay, this is true because successor of 599 is 600. How? If you want to find the successor of any number, you need to add 1. Okay, if you add 1, it will give 600. Okay, so 600 is the successor of 599. Okay, so this is true. Now we have part E. All natural numbers are whole numbers. What do you think about this? This is true. This is true. Why? Natural numbers starts with 1. Okay, it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is true because all the natural numbers comes in whole numbers also, and whole number have 0 as extra. Okay, so this is true. Now all whole numbers are natural numbers. This is false. Why it is false? Because 0, which is a whole number, is not a natural number. So we'll write 0 is a whole number, but not a natural number. Okay, I think you got the point. So this is there. Now we have point number G. Question number G. The predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit number. Okay, it is asking for predecessor of two-digit number is never a single digit number. This is false. Why? Two-digit number. Okay, since 10 predecessor of 10 is 9. Okay, predecessor of 10 is 9. So it means there is a possibility that predecessor of a two-digit number is a single digit number. Okay, it is true, but it is saying it can never be a. Okay, so that's what it is true, because 10 has 9 as predecessor. You need to write like this, predecessor. Okay, that is what it is false. Okay, this is false. 1 is a smallest natural number. What is this? This is true or false? This is false. Why? 0 is a smallest. 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay, smallest whole number. 1 is basically smallest natural number and 0 is smallest whole number. Okay, got point? I think next question is this. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. Okay, is it true or false? It is true. Why? Because the natural number starts with 1. Okay, natural numbers starts with 1. Sorry, with 1. Okay, and another way of writing this question is also like this. The predecessor of 1 predecessor of 1 is 0. That is not a natural number. Okay, so another way you can write like this also. Now question number 8 part J, we have whole number 1 has no predecessor. Okay, so this is false. Why it is false? Because whole number 1 has a predecessor as 0. Okay, whole number 1 no, sorry, I have to write like this. Predecessor of whole number 1 is, what is this? It is 0. Okay, therefore it is false. Now we have part K. What is part K? Whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. This is false, because 13 does not lie between 11 and 13, because 13 doesn't lie between 11 and 12. Okay, that is what is false. Okay, now whole number 0 has no predecessor. It is true. Okay, why it is true? Because whole number starts with 0 only. If you want to see what is the predecessor of 0, then predecessor of 0 is, what is this? If you have to find the predecessor of any number, you need to subtract 1. So if you subtract 1 from 0, you get -1. And predecessor of 0 is 1, and which is not a whole number. Okay, -1 is not a whole number, therefore it is not a whole number, therefore this is this 0 doesn't have any predecessor. Okay, this is what is true. Now we have come to last part of the question 8 and last question of the exercise 2.1 also. So what is this question? The successor of a 2-digit number means any 2-digit number successor. How we'll find successor? We can find successor of any number by adding 1 to any number. Okay. So the successor of any 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. What it is saying, by the way, it is false. Okay. It is saying successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. It is false. Why? We need to prove that successor of 2-digit number is not always 2-digit number. It can be 3-digit also. Okay. So how will find? For example, it is 68. Successor is plus 1. It is 69. Okay. But if you have 99, 99 is a 2-digit number, but its successor is, what is this? 3-digit number. Okay. Therefore, it is false. You will write here because 99 successor of 99 successor of a 2-digit number 99 is 100, which is a 3-digit number. Okay. It is not a 2-digit number, and it was saying that it will always be 2-digit number. So therefore this is false. Okay. So I think you got the point, and the solution that you have seen here. I think so it is fully understood. If there are any doubts, you can put your doubts on the comment also. If I have done something wrong, then you can also put a comment and correct me also. I may not be always right, so you can correct me also. This exercise 2.1 of class 6 NCERT book, NCERT maths book, it is complete now, and we have solved each and every question of this exercise, and I think it means you have cleared your doubts properly and got the answers properly also. So we'll meet again in our next session, next video, and till then, bye bye.